بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. ویلکم ٹو کینٹب پبلشرز ویڈیو سیشن. کینٹب لیکچر سیریز میں آج جس مضمون کو سمجھنے جا رہے ہیں ہم وہ ہے سائنس، اور یہ سائنس گریڈ 6 کے لیے ہے. ان لیکچرز کو سمجھنے کے لیے جن ریسورسز کی آپ کو ضرورت پیش آئے گی ان میں شامل ہے سائنس 6 کی کیمبرج اسکالر سیریز کی ٹیکسٹ بک. اس کے ساتھ ساتھ کچھ ہوم ورک دیا جائے گا آپ کو. اس ہوم ورک کے لیے اور کچھ ایکٹیویٹیز کے لیے جس چیز کی ضرورت پیش آئے گی وہ ہے سمر پیک گریڈ 6 کے لیے. اس کے ساتھ ساتھ اگر پیرنٹس اور ٹیچر کسی قسم کی کچھ رہنمائی چاہیں تو ان کے لیے ریسورس پیک گریڈ 6 کے لیے ایک بہت ہی یوزفل ثابت ہوگا. سائنس کا سمر پیک اور ریسورس پیک دونوں کینٹب کی ویب سائٹ پہ ایزیلی سافٹ فارم میں اویلیبل ہیں. The today's lecture is from Science of Grade 6 and the chapter which is under discussion is chapter 5, that is about atoms, molecules, mixtures and compounds. We have studied about atoms, molecules, mixtures and compounds, and have known that all these things are the basic features of matter found in our world. It's our lecture 6 from chapter 5, that is about uses of compounds and mixtures in daily life. The SLO that will be achieved through this lecture is explain uses of common mixtures in daily life. Here you can see that SLO is about the uses of common mixture. We'll also study the uses of common compounds. Why? Because if you open your curriculum, National Curriculum 2006, and look upon the theme side of the chapter, you will find there the uses of common compounds there. In SLO, only common mixtures is discussed, but in themes, uses of compounds and mixtures both are given. And you know very well that the SLOs, that our students' learning outcomes, depend upon or arises from the themes of the chapter. So, we have to overcome and we have to achieve the themes as well as the SLOs. So, we'll study the uses of common mixtures as well as common compounds. So, let's start our lecture. Just open your textbook at page 61 and you will find the topic 5.6, uses of compounds and mixtures. It will be a resource to achieve your SLO. You all know that we are surrounded by the world of compounds. We use many things that are compounds and we even do not know about that it is a compound. These compounds are the integral part, are the necessary part, the compulsory part of our life. Our life becomes incomplete and painful without these compounds. Majority of things around us are compounds. So, first of all, we'll see what common compounds are and then we'll discuss their uses one by one. The very, very common and crucial compound in our life is sodium chloride. The common name for sodium chloride is table salt. It is made up of two elements, sodium as well as chlorine. It is obtained from seawater and is used as supplement and to preserve meat as well. Sodium chloride or the table salt is the crucial part or the compulsory part of our Eastern cuisine. Our food is incomplete without salt. Besides, it is used to preserve meat and vegetables. Centuries ago, in Egypt, the dead bodies were preserved, and these dead bodies were preserved by applying salt and other chemicals upon the dead body. So, the sodium chloride is used to preserve meat. In recent days, there are many families that preserve the meat by drying and by applying sodium chloride or the table salt. Besides, we use it to preserve different vegetables and making pickles. The other very common and very important compound we use in our daily life is sodium carbonate, which is commonly known as soda ash. Sodium carbonate, which is a compound of sodium element, carbon and oxygen. Carbon and oxygen together combine to make carbonate. That's why it is named, from which it is originated, is named as carbonate. A very good domestic cleansing agent and is widely used in manufacturing of soap, paper and glass. In paper, it acts as a bleaching agent. where there are impurities, sodium carbonate or soda ash is used to bleach that. Next is methane, which is commonly known as natural gas. Natural gas is a compound of carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms. We use this gas for heating purpose, not only on domestic scale in our houses, but on industrial scale as well. The large industries that require heats for their boilers for other purposes, they use methane because it has high heating value or the calorific value. And interesting to know, the sand generally found around us is also a compound. Sand is a compound of silicon dioxide with the formula of SiO2. Si represent the silicon and O2 represent the oxygen, and its full name is silicon dioxide. It is a common material of construction and also used in manufacturing of glass. Without silicon dioxide or the sand, we cannot stand up our structures, our buildings. It mixes up with cement and make a very good adhesive that acts as a paste to join the bricks together. And very important compound and other is sugar. Sugar is a compound of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It sweetens our life. Besides sweetening, it gives us energy. How? Because sugar is a carbohydrate. And you know very well that all carbohydrates are famous to provide the body with energy. So these were some common compounds found in our life and play a very crucial role in our everyday life. We cannot expect our life without any of these compounds. Next comes the mixtures. What are mixtures? Mixtures, by definition, are substances in which individual components retain their properties. And can be separated out. So first, not only the compounds but mixtures are also surrounding our life. Most widely used mixtures and their uses are given below. When we talked about the sand, that is a compound that mixes with the cement and form a very strong adhesive. At the same place, we talked about the cement, that is a mixture. Cement is a mixture of different compounds as well as other mixtures. The compounds which make up a cement are sand and water, and the mixtures are gravel. Gravel are crushed rocks, small stones, crushed rocks and clay. All these things mix up together and form a homogeneous mixture you see in grey color in cement bags. This cement, when mixes with water and sand and when is applied, make a very good adhesive paste and join the bricks together to form a construction material or any construction, wall, brick, building, etc. Then comes the steel. Many of you may have considered the steel is a compound, but steel is a mixture. It is a mixture of different elements just as iron, carbon and chromium. The composition of steel varies with its use. Sometimes we add nickel, sometimes we add zinc to obtain our desired results, because the constituent elements show their effects in a mixture. So, steel is a compound of various elements. It is the prime material of our machinery. Next comes the paper. Paper is also a mixture. And what are the components of paper? These are the caustic soda, known as sodium hydroxide, with the formula of NaOH, water, bagasse of sugar cane, and wood chips. What is the bagasse of sugar cane? ये शुगर केन का जब हम गन्ने का रस इस्तेमाल कर लेते हैं तो बाकी बच जाने वाला फोक bagasse of sugar cane कहलाता है. इसके अलावा वुड चिप्स के अलावा भी पेपर में बहुत सा मटेरियल ऐड हो सकता है. डोमेस्टिक वेस्ट भी से भी हम पेपर बना सकते हैं. बहुत से मटेरियल्स पेपर की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में इस्तेमाल होते हैं. वुड चिप्स क्या है? लकड़ी का बुरादा. जो वेस्ट वुड है उसे हम मजीद क्रश करके पेपर बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल कर लेते हैं. इसके बाद आता है पेट्रोल. Petrol is the fuel for our vehicles, just as the food for human beings. It is also a mixture of hydrocarbons such as heptane, octane, and other additives. Petrol is a mixture, and different hydrocarbons in different compounds, chemical compounds, are present in petrol, just as heptane, octane, and many other compounds. Next comes the drinks. We use many drinks in our life. A very famous is lemonade, which is made up of sugar, water, lemon juice, and salt. We prepare lemonade to refresh ourselves in summers. It is a very, very refreshing drink. But you know, it is a mixture of all these things. And you can feel the taste of salt, sugar, lemon in water. Besides, many other soft drinks and juices are also mixtures. Even the milk is a mixture of different compounds which are proteins or carbohydrates. So these were the common mixtures found in our life, and we utilize them on daily basis. Without any of these, our life will be suffering a lot. So thanks to different mixtures and compounds for making our life very easy. यहाँ हम अपना लेक्चर वाइंड अप करते हैं. नेक्स्ट हम एक नए टॉपिक के साथ हाजिर होंगे. टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़. थैंक यू वेरी मच.